In this Causal versus Excel head-to-head, we're going to be looking at how you can bring in historical data from your accounting system into your financial model. First, we'll do this in Excel, and then I'll show you how you can do it in Causal. Now, the first thing we need to do is log into QuickBooks and export our P&L into a CSV. Great, now that we've got the CSV, we can import it into our spreadsheet. Great, now that it's in our spreadsheet, we can start bringing it into our P&L tab. Now there's a few different ways we can do this. We could either copy and paste the numbers as hard codes in, or we can use formulas that refer to the data from our export tab. In this case, I'm going to use formula references. Now that our formulas are set up, our P&L tab in the spreadsheet will pull in the historical data from our exported CSV from QuickBooks. Now, if I want to pull in new data next month, I'm going to have to repeat this process all over again and make sure I don't make any errors along the way. So that's the process in spreadsheets. Let's now take a look at pulling in historical data in Causal. Now, I've got the same basic P&L template here in Causal. Let's now connect it to some historical data from QuickBooks. The first thing I need to do is authenticate into my QuickBooks account via Causal. Great, we've now got the historical data coming in from QuickBooks. The next thing we need to do is hook it up to our P&L in Causal. And we're all set. I've got my data coming in from QuickBooks into my P&L in Causal, and every month the new data will come in automatically, no more copying, pasting, and no more errors.